magnetism is more than an invisible force protecting the Earth and guiding its inhabitants. Together with electricity, magnetism ignited the machine age and created the modern world.
Electricity and magnetism are used to make motors run, to make videotapes work. They're used in our cars and our stereos. They're part of our world. If you choose not to know about something like that, then it becomes magic.
Understanding what seemed to be the magical link between electricity and magnetism began with an observation. When ships are hit by lightning, compasses on board swing wildly. In 1820, a Dane named Hans Christian Ørsted recreated this natural phenomenon in his laboratory. He placed a compass near a wire attached to a battery. As the electric current flowed through the wire, the compass needle kicked. Ørsted had shown that an electric current generates a magnetic field. In England, Michael Faraday took Ørsted's work a giant step further. His 40-year study of electromagnetism would bring about a technical revolution. First, Faraday showed that a wire placed next to a magnet rotates when an electric current flows through the wire. That was the beginning of the electric motor.
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
We have a motor.
Years later, Faraday made his second discovery. He found that moving a magnet in and out of a coil of wire creates an electric current in the wire. That was the beginning of the electric generator. Now mechanical energy could be converted into electrical energy, and electrical energy into mechanical energy. A new world dawned. The parade began.
Magnetism, the poor old workhorse, just keeps going along. Magnetism is involved in motors and all kinds of machinery. It's involved in electric generators. That plant that you see in the distance there is producing electricity by using magnetic induction, basically. So magnetism it's not a rarity in our world. Far from it. It's ever present.
Visit the set of a major motion picture, and you'll see just how present it is.
Okay, so how's the car? We like the car?
You're sitting down, correct, man? No, I'm standing up.
Standing up.
I'm standing up right now.
We have passed from the machine age to the information age. Another technological revolution brought to you by magnetism.
Another magnetic force happening. Whoa!
Talk to me about the telescope.
Get ready, please.
We are rolling.
Camera mark.
Action.
Magnets in the camera motor move the film. Earphones have magnets that move little metal diaphragms to reproduce sound. The picture on the video monitor is painted by an electron beam controlled by a magnet. The computer stores its bits and bytes on a magnetic disk. A magnet in the record head stores audio information.
It's interesting to reflect on the fact that 1 teaspoonful of rust powder coated onto floppy disks and videotapes can store more information than all of the clay tablets in ancient Egypt.
Audio tape, computer disks, and video cassettes all store information magnetically. But data storage is not magnetism's only contribution to the information age. Electromagnetic waves enable us to transmit this data all over the world.
The most important single function of magnetism is that it can transport energy to the universe. We wouldn't feel the radiation from the sun if there weren't electromagnetic waves to transmit it.
Electric and magnetic fields that vibrate at right angles to each other create the waves that transport radio and television signals through space. Even light travels in the form of an electromagnetic wave.
So light is a vibration where the changing electric part induces a magnetic part, which induces the electric part, which induces the magnetic part, and the whole thing keeps inventing itself, moving outward in a line, and that's what's coming out of the sun. That's electromagnetism that's coming to us.
The unified force of electromagnetism that makes a motor run also transports the light and energy that sustains life on Earth.